Pippa, I already said no. No, you party out all night and you don't come until 5, 6 in the morning. No, yeah, you do. You can't, nope. You can't go out. Nope. No. Nope. I said no. It's not happening, Pippa. Nope. You're a partier. You don't come back. No, now you're in for the night. I know you don't like it. No, you're in for the night. That's it. Nope. I'm not changing my mind. Yep. No, you're not going to come back. No, you say that, but no, you're not going out. No. Nope. And that is final. No. Oh, you're bad. You're so bad. You guys are not going out. No. You can't go out. No. No, Pippa. You just get into trouble. You can't go out. No. No. You can't go out. No. And you neither, Mitty. You can't go out. It's too late. No. Mitty's such a good boy, Mitty. Look at that face. What a good Pippa. Look at that face. Look at that Pippa. Look at that pretty Mitty. No, time to fight, huh? Oh, Mitty. You're such a good boy, Mitty. Why she gotta do that to you, huh? Oh, Mitty? Yeah, why you gotta do that, Pips? Guess we're done,
huh? Oh, Ginger.
Oh, you barely got out. Oh, Ginger.
You're so dainty, Jen.
Oh, Ginger.
Penny, what are you doing? Penny. You opened the wrong thing. Do you want in, Penny? In the center. What are you doing? Oh, Ginger. Wow. Good job. Wow, Ginger. What a good kitty. Wow. Hi, Ginger. Oh, look at you. Good girl. What a good girl. Good girl, Ginger. Good girl.